The authorities have commenced an investigation into the death of a 34-year-old pregnant American woman who reportedly died at the Cornwall Regional Hospital in Montego Bay, St. James yesterday after contracting COVID-19. The American female has been identified as 34-year-old Kaishandra Davis. She was reportedly vacationing at a resort hotel in the western section of the island when she developed the COVID symptoms on August 16. She was diagnosed with COVID-19 a week ago after a routine COVID-19 antigen test. She was taken to the Noel Holmes Hospital in Hanover, but her condition worsened. She was then transferred to the Cornwall Regional Hospital, where she reportedly died after she developed complications. The Ministry of Tourism and the Ministry of Health and Wellness have since launched a probe into her death.
What a noise! What a drop!